I had it all, the American dream. A beautiful wife, four daughters, and a house with a white picket fence. But then came the summer of 2010. I woke up on my couch, drenched in sweat, and my phone was buzzing with missed calls and messages. Where are you? Are you okay? I hope you're not in jail again. See, I'd become a ghost. I was chasing highs and vanishing for days and erasing everything that I loved. That morning I sat in the deafening silence of an empty house, and that's when I saw the eviction notice on the table. Reality hit me. I was a drug addict. My home was gone. My dignity was shattered. And worst of all, I was losing my daughters. That was the day I decided to walk into a 12-step meeting as a broken man and begin the fight for my life. 8 years later, I had turned my life around. I got a call from my youngest daughter, and she was crying. Her voice was frantic. And she said these words I'll never forget. Dad, Mom shot herself. My ex-wife, buried in addiction and depression, could not escape. But I was still here. I was there at the funeral. I held my daughters through the pain and through the tears. But after the funeral, my oldest daughter vanished. And then one day I got a call. She was caught with a large amount of drugs. See, I knew what she was up against. I had been there, and I reached out and tried to help her. But she just wasn't ready. She was trapped in the same cycle of addiction that I once was. For over a year, I feared she'd follow her mother's path. But then she got arrested again. And this time, when I reached out to her, something changed. She let me in. She faced the anger, the grief, the pain of losing her mom, and together we fought through the darkness step by step. Today she has over 3 years clean and sober. See, there was a time in my life I felt like I was one long, unfixable mistake, a blur of losses and regrets. But I learned this. The past is permanent, but you can rewrite your ending. See, I fought not just for me, but for my daughter Deja, for my girls. I fought to become the father that I was meant to be. And because I took that step, my daughter was able to grab her own pen and rewrite her story. Now it's your turn. What story do you need to write?